Hello. So today we are going to go ahead and discuss ASL sentence structure. And so in ASL, we need to remember it follows a different structure than English. So the first thing that's always going to happen is the object. Then it's going to be the subject. And then you know who the person or what the sentence is about, who's involved. And then lastly, the verb. What is happening? What's the action word in the sentence? So we're going to look at two sentences, and this video is going to look at one. And the first sentence that we're going to look at is I have a car. And so what do we need to do? First, we're going to go ahead and identify everything in the sentence as either a subject, an object, or a verb. So who is the subject in the sentence? And I am the subject. So let's go ahead and put an S above the word I and take our translation, IX colon and parentheses the word self. The second word in this is a verb, which is the sign for have. And so again, we will mark a V above the word have, so we remember it's our verb. And then we have our object, which is the car. So again, we can put our sign up and mark car with an O for object. So now we have one leftover word, which is a, and a in this sentence is an article, and it's actually and in ASL, we don't use A's and all of those. So we can just go ahead and cross them out. Now, in this sentence, A is meaning a singular, like a car, one car. And so therefore, we don't need to include the word A. We don't need to include the sign for one, because by just signing car, it's just one car. So now let's go ahead and put it into the right order. So what was that right order again? Remember, object, subject, and verb. And so what's the object? Car. So let's go ahead and just move that to the front. Next was who, right? The subject. And so let's go ahead, look at the S, which is I, so the subject can come second. And then lastly was the verb, which is have. So let's go ahead and move have. And there we go. We've translated the English sentence, I have a car, into ASL, which is car, I have. And so in the next video, we're going to go ahead and look at that next sentence.